So this is our ultrasonic distance sensor code. So I have attached the ultrasonic HC-SR04 sensor on like pin 12 and 13. So the trigger pin is connected to 12 and the echo pin is connected to pin 13. Then I'll in a loop like get the distance, and if the distance is less than 10 centimeter, like I'll play the horn sound. Otherwise, like I'll do nothing. So like if there is an obstacle in front, like I'll play the horn sound. So you can see the distance here like 17. If the distance goes low, if the distance goes lower than 10, like it will beep, play the horn. So this is our HC-04. So this VCC is connected here, trigger is connected, the echo and the ground pins. So you can see like this 12 and 13 I have connected, and I have connected it to 5 volt because this is a 5 volt sensor. So if you can get a 3.3 volt sensor ultrasonic, better use that because it can damage the pins also. So now if I like bring my hand in front, it will beep.